And here is the system status. Enter the system status interface from the main interface. You can view the number and the classification of all online units. The current system includes chairman unit, delegate units, interpreter units only. The actual situation of the system status can be checked by plugging and unplugging the current chairman unit and delegate unit. The detection time of the controller for unplugging is 1 minute at most when the machine is idle. Please wait up patiently when the display is not updated immediately, and do not frequently plug and unplug the delegate units during usage. And for the system setup settings, here we click in the main interface, and then we can see in the host settings. Here when we click it, and you can see 9 sub-items in here. So the first one is the language switching. When we press this, and as you can see, it supports language of Chinese, English, Russian, and French. And after that, we can see the display setting. When we enter in here, both clicking button decrease or increase, and sliding the bar can adjust the screen brightness. And the adjustable range is 1 to 64. And here is the volume adjustment. Hardware writing method. Connecting the external audio source to the BGM input port line in 1 or 2, and then connect line out 1 or 2 port to the power amplifier speaker. Enter the system setting interface from the main interface, and then click the volume adjustment. To enter the volume adjustment interface, click button decrease or increase to adjust the volume, and the adjustable range is 0 to 31. 0 means mute sound. And here is the restore defaults. Enter the restore default settings interface, and to confirm it, to restore the default means to restore the factory settings. The default setting will be shown as follows. The conference mode is FIFO, the number of wired microphone is 8, and the number of wireless microphone is 16. Initial ID number is 0001. The default language is English. Initial brightness is 64. Initial volume of line L1 or 2 is 31. Local IP address is 192.168.168.168. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. The network gateway is 192.168.168.1, and the port number is 50,000. And here is the transfer function. Transfer functions will be related with the download functions. Enter into this interface, you can open and close the audio download functions of the wireless unit. It is not open generally. And so for here is the AFC functions. AFC functions, when you turn off, it can realize the howling suppression. And here is the master-slave settings. You can select the master or slave in here. And here is the register. Register is the interface that you can enter the register serial numbers in here, and then click the confirm. That can do the register. And here is the transcribe settings. Transcribe setting will normally using the autocode as a default settings. And so this will be all of the functions of the host settings. And here we'll back into the system setup. System setup, we will see there is a microphone control in here. Enter into this microphone control interface, and we can see that here we can see it is a lifting control, and this is a turn off wireless unit. When we click this lifting control, and you can control all of the wireless systems to lift the microphones, to rise or decline. And here is to turn off wireless units. After you enter this, you can choose to turn off all of the wireless units. And here is the AP list. AP list, you can see all of the wireless AP will be shown in this interface. you can check with their SSID name, and then you can check the channels of the wireless AP. All of them will show in here. And then here is the local IP. Local IP is to check the controller's IP. You can view the local IP address, gateway, subnet mask, and the port number in this interface.